So here is our chicken coop in process. We have a really big screen that I found on the side of the road for free. This is a nesting box door. In it you can see the nesting boxes filled with straw. A special feature of this nesting box door is the gorgeous animals and landscape pictures that somebody glued long ago on this piece of wood. Where it comes from, I'm not exactly sure. So let's go see our babies. They're living in a little cage, and there's some straw on top of them. Hey ladies! Hey ladies! How are you? You want to come out and say hello? That one in the front is Espy, and then there's Simone, Daphne. Gotta watch out for Espy. She likes to peck at things, so I'm gonna get up here. They've been peeping like crazy. I think it's because they're bored in that tiny little space, but they've been known to get into trouble if they get out. We're gonna let them peep around for a bit. I'm not sure if they're afraid of me or if they're trying to chase a fly. Beep, 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 beep. They'd rather be high than low, especially since it gives them the ability to catch some flies. Let's see if they can show you how good they are at catching flies. Already liking the nesting boxes. That's a good thing. Alright, we're going to go see the big ladies who are thus far staying in this ramshackle pallet mansion over here. I'm going to take down and make into a run soon. Hey ladies, just wanted to say hello. Oh, we're going to stay in. There we go. Beautiful Genevieve and Guinevere and Marigold. Hey Marigold, let's stay in. Okay, alright, we're going to leave you in here. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, shall we check out and see if they have any eggs for us? Excuse me. Oh, we got an egg. There it is, 2 eggs. Thanks, ladies. I'm going to take them inside.